Hi students, this evening I wanted to show you how to book a vaccine for COVID-19 immunization. So first you need to just Google book a vaccine and you will come up with COVID-19 immunization booking, Alberta Health Services. Click on it and you will need to scroll down to the bottom of the web page. Of course you want to read all of this. Book online. And you must read the COVID-19 immunization important information. You are only booking your first dose appointment. Choose I have read and understand the above information. Click continue. You answer some questions. Are you eligible for COVID-19 immunization based on your work role or your age or health? And you choose the one that is right for you. Mine was age. Were you born in or before 1956? No. Do you identify as First Nations, Métis, or Inuit? No. Do you have any of the following health conditions? So they mention cancer, diabetes, pregnancy, things like that. So I'm going to click no because I don't. And next I'm going to click, were you born in or before 1981? So yes, I was. Would you like to receive the Covishield AstraZeneca vaccine? So I cannot receive any other vaccines. Yes, I would. And then there is an important screening question. So in the past 10 days, have you experienced any of the following? Fever, new onset of cough or worsening of chronic cough, new or worsening shortness of breath, new or worsening difficulty breathing, sore throat, runny nose. And I click no. In the past 14 days, did I return from outside Canada or did I have close contact with someone who was confirmed as having COVID-19? Nope. And now it says that I'm eligible for a COVID-19 immunization. I'm going to scroll down because I want to book online at an AHS immunization clinic. And I type in my postal code. Submit. And now it is time to enter my personal information. So that is how I start booking my COVID vaccine.